Today, we'll be discussing the top iPhone accessibility feature for elderly user. 1. Large text. If you're finding it difficult to read the text on your iPhone, you can increase the font size. To do this, go to Setting and then select Display and Brightness. After that, select Text Size. Here, you can drag the slider to adjust the font size. It becomes bigger or smaller. Number 2. Voice commands. Did you know you can control your iPhone using your voice? This feature is called Siri. To set up Siri, go to Setting and select Siri and Search. You can toggle on Listen for Hey Siri or press Size button for Siri. You can either select one of them. After, for example, I'm Siri and Search again. I'm going to listen for Hey Siri. And we set up Hey Siri by activate. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set up timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And tap down, Siri is already activated. You can give a command by saying Hey Siri followed by your instruction on this. And number 3. You can then ask Siri to make calls, send text, and even search the web for you. Number 3. Magnifier. If you're struggling to read small text, you can use the magnifier feature. To enable this, go to Setting and tap on Accessibility and scroll down, select the Accessibility shortcut and then tap on Magnifier to activate it. You can then activate the magnifier by triple-clicking the home button or the side button depending on your iPhone model. On my case or my device, I will triple-clicking on my side button here. When I'm triple-clicking, it will enter the magnifier mode. Number 4. Zoom. If you need to zoom in or zoom out your screen, you can use the zoom feature. To enable this, go to Setting and then tap on Accessibility and then you can toggle it on the zoom option. Tap on this. You can then zoom in and zoom out by double tapping the screen with 3 fingers. Number 5. Hearing aids. If you wear hearing aids, you can connect them to your iPhone using Bluetooth. To do this, go to Setting and then select Accessibility, then select Hearing Device. And on Hearing Device, you can select your hearing aids from the list of available devices. I'm still searching because I don't have hearing aids on mine. Number 6. Emergency SOS. If you ever find yourself in an emergency situation, you can use the Emergency SOS feature to quickly call for help. To enable this, go to Setting and then Emergency SOS. You can toggle it on, for example, call with 5 button presses. Then after activate call with 5 button presses, you can then press the side button on your iPhone 5 times quickly to call for help. Then, as you can see, it will be countdown. I just stop calling. This is just a sample. Number 7. Voiceover. If you visually impaired, you can use the voiceover feature to have your iPhone read out text and describe what's on the screen. To enable this, go to Setting and then tap Accessibility and tap on VoiceOver. You can tap it on.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
When the VoiceOver is activated, the iPhone will read aloud all the features that you select on your iPhone. You can then use gesture to navigate your iPhone. That's it for today's video on the top iPhone accessibility feature for elderly users. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and bye!